Ever wanted to remove a watermark from your video without ruining the footage? Assalamu alaikum boys, I am Omer and today I am going to show you a simple yet powerful trick inside Adobe After Effects. How to remove any watermark from your video using just a few clicks. No plugins, just pure Adobe skills. If you are a video editor looking to clean up your clips professionally, you are in the right place. Let's get started. First, drag your clip into the After Effects timeline. Now, go to the frame where the watermark appears. Use the pen tool to create a mask around the watermark area. In the mask setting, set the mask mode to subtract. This will hide the selected area. With the layer selected, go to the top menu and open the Content Aware Fill panel. In the Content Aware settings, set Alpha Expansion to 0 and change the fill method to Object for better tracking of the background. Now click Generate Fill Layer. Once the fill is complete, you might see slight roughness around the mask. To fix this, set the mask expansion value to around -27. This smooths out the edges and blends everything perfectly. And boom, the watermark is gone and your video looks clean and professional. I hope this quick tutorial helped you learn something new today. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Umair Bey for more editing tips and tricks. Comment below what kind of tutorials you want. Until then, keep editing like a pro. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.